Okay, you guys, so I have the most stubborn lip hair. So we are gonna use Cherry Desire and we're gonna see how it holds up, because so far I have yet to find an area of the body that this does not work. So oh my god. Yes! I don't know if you guys can't see them, but oh, it got them all. Sexy Smooth Wax does it again. So if you want to save on your order, you can use Sexy Smooth Amora, all one word, no spaces. And you can save money on your orders when you order through my code. So if you have any questions about their formulas or how to use it, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below.